Deep hole drilling is a specialized service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves drilling holes with a depth-to-diameter ratio of at least 10:1. This process is used to create precise and accurate holes in materials such as metal, plastic, and wood. Deep hole drilling is commonly used in the production of components for industries such as aerospace, automotive, and medical devices. The process of deep hole drilling involves using a specialized drill bit that is designed to remove material from the workpiece in a controlled and precise manner. The drill bit is typically made from high-speed steel or carbide and is cooled with a lubricant to prevent overheating and damage to the workpiece. The drilling process can be performed using a variety of methods, including gun drilling, BTA drilling, and trepanning. One of the main benefits of deep hole drilling is its ability to create holes with a high degree of accuracy and precision. This is essential in industries such as aerospace and medical devices, where even the slightest deviation from specifications can have serious consequences. Deep hole drilling also allows for the creation of holes with complex geometries, which can be difficult or impossible to achieve with other drilling methods. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom metal components for a variety of industries. As a company that values precision and accuracy, deep hole drilling is a key service that they offer to their clients. By using state-of-the-art equipment and highly skilled technicians, Berkness Company is able to provide deep hole drilling services that meet the highest standards of quality and precision. If you are interested in learning more about deep hole drilling and how it can benefit your manufacturing process, Berkness Company is a great resource. Their team of experts can provide you with the information and guidance you need to make informed decisions about your manufacturing needs. To learn more, visit the Contact Us page on their website and fill out the form to get in touch with a representative. FAQs. 1. What is deep hole drilling and what are its applications in manufacturing? Deep hole drilling is a machining process used to create holes with a depth-to-diameter ratio of 10:1 or greater. It is commonly used in manufacturing to create holes in components such as gun barrels, hydraulic cylinders, and aerospace components. The process involves using specialized tools and techniques to drill holes with high precision and accuracy. 2. What are the benefits of deep hole drilling in manufacturing? Deep hole drilling offers several benefits in manufacturing, including the ability to create holes with high precision and accuracy, improved surface finish, and reduced tool wear. It also allows for the creation of complex shapes and features that would be difficult or impossible to achieve with other machining processes. 3. What are the challenges associated with deep hole drilling in manufacturing? Deep hole drilling can be a challenging process due to the high aspect ratio of the holes being drilled. This can lead to issues such as chip evacuation, tool deflection, and heat buildup. Additionally, the process requires specialized equipment and expertise, which can make it more expensive and time-consuming than other machining processes. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.